Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the call waiting problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A23 and A23 5G. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue related to the call waiting in your device Samsung Galaxy A23 and A23 5G, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch the complete video and learn how you can solve the call waiting problem in your device. Let's watch the video.